and gentlemen, welcome to Fabs for Low. We got our boy Ish in the house, about to show us our new rock sliders.
Check it out.
Let's go. 1 3/4 DOM steel. That's these guys right here. Solid stuff. There's a few options of what we can do. We can either paint them, we can powder coat them, you can bolt them on or weld them on. So we're doing the weld on and having them painted. Painting is probably a better thing in certain situations for the sake of like touch up, right?
Correct. Yeah.
That's what I figured. So that's the route I'm going right there. Probably cheaper too, I'd imagine. A lot cheaper. So powder coat's a little bit of money. Also a different pitch you can go with too. So I'm doing the flat. What's that degree called?
Yeah, 0 degrees.
0 degree, okay. And then you can do a 45?
25 degrees.
Oh, you can do whatever you want.
Yes.
Oh, well, there we go. Ballpark time frame, something like this.
It takes about a day, full day to build a couple set of sliders and another full day to install them.
It's not bad. You guys also do bumpers.
We do bed cages, we do tire carriers, we can do roof racks, nollie panels.
The options are pretty much endless.
Correct.
There we go. If I roll in, I'm like, hey, I want this type. I want like a tubular style bumper. I want, I don't know, what do you call the non-tubular types?
The plate.
The plate
Yeah,
style,
plate
right?
bumper.
You can
Yeah,
do that.
overlancers.
Whatever you want to do, you have an idea, come to Fabs for Low. My boy Ish, take care of you. Let's go. So the first step of this process, what do you guys do?
Well, truck's in the lift, we'll get it up there and start taking the measurements on make sure that the sliders are equally level and set far forward and backwards. Set it on the chassis and we'll weld them up.
I'll be here later on in the day with some fresh steps. Well, rock sliders, but they're doubling for me as a step too. And my girlfriend says, thank you very much. That's why I went with that 0 degree pitch too. So they double as a step. Because I wanted that 45 degree? That kind of hugs the bottom of the
20,
doors.
25 degrees.
Oh, it's 25? Oh, okay. So yeah, that was, I thought that'd be a better alternative for me, but to use as a step too for people that are, having trouble getting in this truck. Yeah, I think so. It's a clean look. All right, well, see you guys later on. I'm excited. Just like that, dude. So sick. There she is. Dude, you killed it. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have some rock sliders. Dude, Fabs for Low, you guys absolutely crushed it. These things look perfect, dude. Even the paint job's on point. All the welds look amazing. The welds here up on the frame. We did weld these things onto the frame in 5 different places. Well, not we, but the guys at Fab for Low. And what's cool too is the bottom of my truck is super flat. There's no curve to the bottom of the body. So it's a real nice, clean look, having both them be nice and parallel to each other. And everything fitment-wise is amazing, dude. So yeah, very happy with the appearance of them. I think there's a number of reasons to go with some rock sliders on your truck, but definitely aesthetics is one of them. I think it adds a nice, just real good off-road appearance to it. But of course, the function, as I do daily drive my truck, having function on-road as well as off-road is a great thing. Now, the reason why I went with the 0 degree pitch is to have these things double as a side step. And I'm pretty sure if you go with that 25 degree pitch, which hugs the bottom of the truck more, I'm pretty sure you can't do a kick out anymore. Maybe you can, I'm not too sure, but having the kick out's a major key too when it comes to driving through tight little channels up against walls and stuff. This here will kick your truck off and give you room to maneuver around the corner. So that there is a major key when it comes to off-road activities, but for the on-road sake of things, these things are great because my passengers love to do power slides off the seat. So yeah, this here is a great thing for that. And of course, my truck's on 37s on a 3.5-inch lift, so it's a bit of a leap. It's not impossible or that hard for me, but of course for the passengers, and I'll enjoy using them too to get in the truck a little bit easier. Also too, what's cool is the kick out goes about halfway between the cab corner and the back tire, so it gives me some leverage to get into the bed of the truck too, which is kind of nice, and better access to washing the roof of the truck as well. And one of the other hidden features of rock sliders and anything that sticks out past the doors is that is now the widest point of the truck minus the tires. So when you're parked in a tight parking spot and some guy or person tries to door ding you, or not tries to, but doesn't try not to, you got protection as long as that car or truck is lower than yours. So there's that right there. But yeah, so I went with the weld onto the frame option as opposed to having to make brackets where I can remove them from the frame, because this is a stronger option. Also, this is DOM steel, or DOM steel, or however you properly pronounce it or say it. This is the stronger way to go. So if you are truly going to use these things over some boulders, then the DOM steel is the way to go. This is 1.75 inches, so it's nice and strong and welded up to the frame. Makes it a lot more rigid and makes the frame more rigid too on the truck itself. So there's that too. But yeah, when it comes to off-roading with these things right here, they're very functional, hence the name rock sliders. These things will help you glide over the rocks you come down on, and of course save the body from damage as well. Also, huge shout to life storage for the parking lot. Also, I noticed there's a 22 Tundra across the way there, just chilling. These things are getting more and more popular every single day. I see another one, so not feeling as cool anymore, but you know, it is what it is. But you know, as I said, very functional off-road, so that's great right there too. So yeah, a number of reasons. It's also a recovery point too. So as you guys probably know, the 22 Tundras don't come with recovery hooks in the front, which is terrible. So this, if I ever get stuck, you can use that as a recovery point and also a jack point as well, as it is attached to the frame. It's a pretty safe place to jack up the truck using a high lift jack. Once again, Fabs for Low, you guys are amazing. We are talking about doing more work in the very near future, designing a new bumper for the 22s and up Tundras. Something different, something fresh, and yeah, I think it takes a few weeks to design it, but soon. Now we're off to Walmart to pick up some new batteries for my new safe. As you guys saw a couple videos back, I was pulled over with my concealed carry on me, so RPNB sent me out this safe right here that fits perfectly underneath my back left seat. But yeah, it is battery operated, so it does have key code access, key card access, key tag access, and there's a keyhole right here. Comes with 2 keys. Let's open it up. It is pretty roomy, fires right open for immediate access to whatever's in here, and it does carry 2 full-size pistols, so pretty roomy. We've got some instructions right here on how to set it up, but first we need some batteries, so we're heading down to Walmart to pick up some batteries, get this thing programmed. Let's try to get down to Walmart before the sun goes down, because Walmart's a very curious place once the sun goes down, so let's get it. This guy, the 22 Tundra parked next to me. Okay, I see you, brother. See you, brother. Man, act like you don't see me though. Come on, man. So we have our Duracell Power Boost AAA's 8-pack. Man, lost the sun pretty quick, but all right, so here's the access card right here. Wave it right there once we have batteries in there and program it. And the keychain too, same thing. Let's open it up first with the key. This thing shoots right open. Oh my gosh. We have some instructions here. Let's figure out how we do this. All right. Ooh, we got lights. Okay. So we got power now. All right, so now I'm gonna create my own passcode. To do that, I'm gonna take this tool right here and hit that program button for 2 seconds. Let go. That green light flashes twice. Now it's time for a new code. You guys can't see mine. All right, my new code's in. Now hit that button again for 2 seconds. That's it. Bam, just like that. So now I'm gonna program the key fob and the key card. I'm pretty sure it's the same process. Hold that for 2 seconds. Let go. Hold that right there. And then hit that program button again for 2 seconds. And then we're good. Let's try it out. Sounds like it works. So we'll close it. I'm gonna throw it right back in there. Bam, just like that. You guys have it. There is the RPNB safe right there. They have a ton of options to choose from. This is just one of very many of them. They have so many options for you guys. Check out their website, but I'll link this one in the description below for you guys. I don't have a coupon code for you guys, unfortunately, but it is a very nice safe so far. I'm liking it, and it fits perfectly here in the back of my truck underneath the rear seat. So that there is pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, hope you guys enjoyed. Got a new safe, got some new rock sliders. I'd say today was a pretty good day, but that's all I have for you guys today. As always, hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned though. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, because we still have a lot of cool things in the works for this truck right here. This build is nowhere near complete yet. But that's all I have for you guys today. As always, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Till then, peace out.